Hardscaping is landscape work that has to do with all of the hard elements. So not the plants, has to do with pavers, retaining walls, infills like soils, and then other landscape elements that could be considered as irrigation systems, lighting systems, if we're running any power or water anywhere. It's all the stuff that goes in before the final landscape elements go in. Sometimes we will also go ahead and install the sod and just sort of set the stage for somebody to then come in with the plants and just the regular week in and week out maintenance. So we don't do any of the ongoing maintenance. That's regular landscaping. Hardscaping is more the initial installation of the landscape.